Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing the Sandisk Extreme Portable 500GB SSD. In the box you get the SSD, a Type-C to Type-C cable, a user manual and a Type-C to Type-A converter. The SSD has a plastic front and a soft touch rubber on the back. This is iPhone 11 Pro and the SSD looks really small in front of this. If you still think that the SSD is quite big, then look at this. This is the AirPods Pro. The SSD is just a bit taller than the AirPods. If you enjoyed watching this video, do hit the like and subscribe button for more tech related content.